What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my client, so stay tuned. Starting off with our go to effects, we're going to create our guideline, then bald him out. Once we're done balding him out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open. Closing the lever all the way and midway will help you remove that initial guideline. Once you remove their initial guideline, you want to move on to your one guard all the way open. Once you're done softening up the line with the one guard, you want to move on to your half guard. From my 1.5 guard, I went straight into clipper oval comb to connect the top to the bottom. When the hair is cut vertically, I'm blending. When the hair is cut horizontally, I'm debulking. Going with the grain and freehand shaping will help you blend the sides. hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're onto the back, we're going to continue with our first guideline. Switching over to the one guard, we're going to get it ready for the half guard. A little bit of clipper over comb action in the back just to get a few dark spots that I see. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to try to keep it as natural as possible and slowly etch in the line. I saw a little bit of a guideline I wanted to remove, so I went back to my half guard, no guard, and one guard just to remove it. Again, I hope you guys are liking the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done with the lineup, we're gonna move on to our Turkish razor. You wanna make sure that you stretch the skin and make sure you're at a 40-degree angle with the blade.